Dr. B. Krishnachandra Kirti, Assistant Professor of English, Dr. BRR Government College, Jadcherla. Today, let us discuss continuation of common errors in English, articles. So, what are the common mistakes made by users of English, especially the non-native speakers of English, with reference to the use of articles? Ganga is a sacred river. This is an incorrect sentence, and the correct version of it should be the Ganges is a sacred river. They crossed Atlantic. They crossed the Atlantic would be the correct form of the sentence. Alps separate France and Italy. The Alps separate France and Italy. Here, in all the instances, in all the sentences, the definite article the should be used before names of rivers, oceans, and mountains. The dinner will be served soon, and the correct version of the sentence would be dinner will be served soon. So, certain common nouns like dinner and meal don't take any article. So, the situation is referred to as zero article usage. He plays violin beautifully. The correct form is he plays the violin beautifully. The is used before names of musical instruments like violin, so veena, etc. Flute. He plays the tennis every day. This is an incorrect sentence, and the correct form is he plays tennis every day. The explanation is names of games have no article, they don't take any article. USA and USSR are the greatest world powers. This is an incorrect sentence, and the correct form is the USA and the USSR are the greatest world powers. Federation of countries take the definite article the. Here, federation means plural. USA and USSR are amalgamation of different states. They are not singular. What kind of a car is it? Is an incorrect sentence, and the correct form is what kind of car is it? Here, zero article or no article is used after the phrases kind of and sort of, etc. The Hindi is spoken in many parts of India. Correct form would be Hindi is spoken in many parts of India. Names of languages never take any article. Dog is a faithful animal. The dog is a faithful animal. The should be used before a singular noun which represents a class of things or animals. David goes to the church regularly. The correct form would be David goes to church regularly. My daughter is not old enough to go to school, to go to the school. This is an incorrect sentence, and the correct form would be my daughter is not old enough to go to school. He was sent to the prison for theft. An incorrect sentence, and the corrected version is he was sent to prison for theft. Ravi was taken to the hospital. An incorrect sentence, and the corrected sentence is Ravi was taken to hospital. I usually go to the bed at 10. An incorrect form, and the correct form is I usually go to bed at 10. The nouns social institutions such as church, school, college, prison, hospital, bed take no article. that is zero article, omission of articles is there, if they are used for their primary purpose. If we specifically mention the cathedral church, etc., the name of the church and the specific church, the secondary purpose, then article, definite article is needed. Coming to the area of verbs, the mistakes or the common errors made by users of English with reference to in the usage of verbs. Let's have an analysis study. My father has arrived last night. An incorrect sentence, and the corrected version is my father arrived last night. I have completed my work half an hour ago. An incorrect sentence. I completed my work half an hour ago. Correct version. So, with reference to phrases of past time, the simple past should be used and not the present perfect. So, when we specifically make a mention of time, we are supposed to use simple past tense and not present perfect tense. When have you bought this briefcase is an incorrect sentence, and the corrected version is when did you buy this briefcase? In questions beginning with when, the simple past should be used, not the present perfect. Because the answer, in the answer, time factor once again comes is to be mentioned. So when the time factor is mentioned, we need to use simple past tense. I am loving her, an incorrect sentence, and the correct form is I love her. The milk is tasting sour, incorrect one, and the correct form is the milk tastes sour. I am having 3 suits, incorrect sentence, and the correct form is I have 3 suits. We have a list of verbs which are generally used in simple present tense and not in the continuous tense. The verbs here taste, smell, have, love, belong, want are not normally used in the continuous tense. Other common verbs which normally do not take the continuous form include be, see, seem, appear, hate, think, suppose, believe, trust, know, understand, wish, possess, contain, consist, etc. She is taking about 10 cups of tea every day is an incorrect version. She takes about 10 cups of tea every day. For habitual actions, we are supposed or we are expected to make use of the simple present tense only and not the present continuous. I am teaching English for the last 10 years. An incorrect sentence, and the correct version is I have been teaching English for the last 10 years. He is doing homework since 8 o'clock, and the correct form is he has been doing homework since 8 o'clock. How long are you wearing glasses? How long have you been wearing glasses is the correct form. So the present perfect continuous tense should be used with adverbials of time, prepositions introduced by since and for, with how long in place of present continuous. So, when do we use present perfect continuous? We use present perfect continuous tense to indicate an action which began in the past, continues in the present, and may likely to extend in future also. Wait till I shall finish my work. An incorrect form, and the correct form is wait till I finish my work. I shall telephone you when he will come back. An incorrect form, and the corrected version is I shall telephone you when he comes back. In clauses of place and condition, the simple present should be used for a future action. The simple future tense should not be used. I would obey him if I am you. Incorrect. The correct form is I would obey him if I were you. When the condition is imaginary or impossible, the past subjunctive is used in the if clause were. If it had rained yesterday, we would cancel the journey. An incorrect form and the correct form is if it had rained yesterday, we would have cancelled the journey. So, when the reference is to an unfulfilled condition, the past perfect is used in the if clause and would, should, could, might, plus have, plus past participle in the main clause are to be used. It's time we start is an incorrect sentence and the corrected sentence is it's time we started. The explanatory part is the past subjunctive is used after it is time plus subject to imply that it's already late. He could swim halfway before he drowned. An incorrect one and the correct one is he was able to swim halfway before he drowned. And the explanation is could indicates the ability to do something but does not convey the idea that it was done. Was able to is used for the performance of an act. He told to me about the incident. And the corrected version is he told me about the incident. The verb tell and told never takes the preposition to after it. It is immediately succeeded by the object, by an object. She told that she was going to market. An incorrect sentence and the corrected form is she said that she was going to market. When used with a that clause, tell takes an indirect object, him, her, me directly, and say is used without an indirect object. I want that you should help her. And the correct form of the sentence is I want you to help her. The verb want should not be used with a that clause. It is followed by a to infinitive or a noun pronoun. I suggest you to apply for the post. I suggest that you should apply for the post is the correct form. The verb suggest should not be used with a to infinitive. It is followed by a that clause. He enjoys to read detective stories. She enjoys reading detective stories. We missed to see the film, an incorrect sentence, and the correct form is we missed seeing the film. The verbs enjoy and miss are followed by an ing form, not by a to infinitive. They prevented me to go there. And the correct form is they prevented me from going there. The verb prevent plus object is followed by from but not to infinitive. The teacher made the boys to clean the room. The teacher made the boys clean the room is the correct version. Here the explanatory part is the verb make is followed by a plain infinitive, not a to infinitive. Plain infinitive means bare infinitive, verb in its bare form, primary form, simple present. You should avail the offer, an incorrect form. And the correct form is you should avail yourself of the offer. The verb avail is followed by a reflexive pronoun. She called him as a fool. The correct form is she called him a fool. The verb call is not followed by as. I have already discussed about the issue with him. I have already discussed the issue with him. He described about his journey. Correct form is he described his journey. He has ordered for 2 cups of tea. Correct form is he has ordered 2 cups of tea. They stressed on the importance of English. They stressed the importance of English. I have been waiting for him. I have been waiting for him. So the verbs discuss, describe, order, stress, await are transitive verbs and are therefore not followed by prepositions. Discuss means talk about. So the preposition about is in its meaning. So no need to use any preposition. He entered into the hall. He entered the hall would be the correct version. We enter, go into a room, a hall, a garden, but we enter into, take part in an agreement or conversation. So, enter into is a phrasal verb. It means take part in or involve in an agreement or conversation and action. She did not attend to the party is an incorrect sentence, and the correct one is she did not attend the party. We attend to, give attention to our work, our duty, attend to what somebody is saying. We attend, go to or be present at a meeting, attend a lecture, attend college, etc.